everyone. Today, I Suraj, am here to talk about the quality that has shaped the journey of every achiever in history. Persistence. Life is full of hurdles, but sometimes it feels like someone has added a bit extra ones just for us. Whether it's learning algebra or beating your sibling in a game, we all know it's a struggle. But let's face it, giving up seems like an easier option. But here's the thing, persistence changes what I can't do into wow, I actually did it. Take Thomas Edison for example, the man who invented light bulb. Didn't just wake up one day and say, let there be light. No. In fact, he failed many times. Once, when he was asked about his failures, he famously said, I've not just failed, but I have found many ways that just won't work. Now that's persistence. Imagine if we had given up. We would all be using candles or reading by fireflies. Persistence isn't just for inventors, it's for all of us. Even as a swimmer, I know the truth that water doesn't magically change you into Michael Phelps. It takes hours of practice and sore muscle. But still you keep going because you know every stroke takes you closer to your goal. I started swimming just 2 years ago with the goal of competing professionally. Everyone at my school, camp, and even my trainers said I was starting too late, and they advised me to treat swimming as a hobby. But every time I got inside the pool, my body felt different, as though it was meant to stay amphibious. So I started swimming every day. There were days when the entire group skipped practice because of weather, but it didn't matter for me. I treated every class as a new experience. Months passed and I finally got my opportunity to compete in an inter-school competition hosting over 50 top schools. The competition began. I cleared round after round and I finally stood on the podium collecting my first ever medal in swimming. Now, 2 years later, I have 6 medals and I'm competing in state level. Sometimes persistence feels like arguing with your Wi-Fi router. You know everything, you try everything, but still nothing works. But deep down inside, you know you'll eventually figure it out. Now that's the spirit we need in life. How do we keep this persistence engine running? Set clear goals, know what you want to achieve. For instance, say I'll study for 2 hours, but not I'll open my book and scroll through my phone for 2 hours. Celebrate small wins. You study for 30 minutes? Great. Treat yourself, but not with a 5 hours Netflix series. So my friends, be stubborn, like your phone battery, which stays for 20% for hours. Be persistent, be resilient, because easy things don't last for long. Thank you.